Hey everyone, welcome back to my another MSWLogo tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn the use of some basic logo primitives, and some ways to write the primitives. Here once you understand the commands or ways, you can make endless. Before we start, first let us know some of the rules that should be followed while writing a command. You can write a commands in capital letters or small letters, no issue. You can also write the short form for your command to make it shorter and faster, like for forward command, we can write FD. Press enter key or click on the execute button after typing the command to run it. As we all know, Turtle moves only when we type proper commands on the input box. So we should always leave a space between the command and the number. For example, in the input box, if we type FD40 without leaving a blank space between the command and the number, and press enter, you will get this error message in the commander window saying, I don't know how to FD40. Now let us see one more error message which we might get. Suppose if we type FD command without a number of steps and press enter, you will notice the turtle has not done anything, but instead displayed an error message on the commander window saying, not enough input to FD. Actually here, input is the number of steps by which we need the turtle to move. So these are the errors that we might get if we don't follow the rules while writing a command. So now let us know the uses of some basic commands and use those commands to draw on the graphic screen. The first command we will learn is the forward command. To type this command, click on the input box. Once the blinking cursor appears, you can start your typing. Here let me type FORWARD, forward. You can also type FD to make it shorter. It's up to you. But to show you I will type FD. Then give a space and type number of steps, for example, 60. And press the enter key from your keyboard. If your enter key is on a meditation, then don't worry. You can click on this execute button. Once you click here, you will notice the turtle had drawn a straight line as it moves forwards. So forward means moving ahead. Next command we will see is the back command, abbreviated as BK. This command moves the turtle backward by a number of steps you want. It will draw a line as it moves. So before we type this command, have a look in a commander window. Whatever previously typed commands will be listed here. So whatever we type in input box, after we execute, it appears on the commander window. Leaving the input box empty to type our next command. Suppose here if we type the command BK space end, for example, 70, and press enter. Notice here, the input box is cleared, and the command that we typed appears in the commander window. And also if you notice on the graphic screen, you will see the turtle had drawn a line as it moves backwards 70 steps. Hope you knew about the commander window list and the back command. Next we will see the home command. This command helps you to call back the turtle to its home position. It leaves a line of its movement on the screen as it moves. Now you can see the turtle is 10 steps away from its home. All of you are thinking, how 10 steps? Let me clear your doubt. Here the first command we typed was FD60. The turtle moves forward from here till here, 60 steps. And then we typed BK70, the turtle moves backward from here till here, 70 steps. So from its home position, the turtle moves only 10 steps backward from here till here. That is 70 minus 60, we get 10. So now if we type home and press enter, you will see the turtle moves 10 steps back to its home position. Hope you understand. Now we will see the clean command and clean screen command, abbreviated as CS. Both of this command erases everything drawn on the graphic screen. But the difference is that clean command erase everything drawn on the graphic screen, but the turtle remain at the same position. Whereas clean screen command erase everything drawn on the graphic screen, and also it bring back the turtle to its home position. You can also use this reset button to erase everything drawn on the graphic screen. First, let me erase whatever is drawn on the graphic screen, using the reset button, which is to the right of the step button. So watch the screen carefully, while I click on the reset button. See, everything drawn is gone. So this was using reset button. Now let me show you using commands. As you can see, nothing is there on the screen. First, let us type the command. Suppose if you want the same command that you have typed before, for example, FD60. Then instead of typing it again, you can directly click on that command from the commander window. Let me show you. Suppose if I want this command, FD60, then I will click on it. You will notice, it appears in the input box. Once it appears here, you can make changes, if you want. For example, from here, let me change the number of steps. Let me replace 60 with 70, and click on execute. You will notice, the turtle had drawn a line, as it moves forward, 70 steps. I hope you got the idea. So instead of retyping the command again, you can use this way to work fast. Now let me show you the use of clean command. Here if I type clean and click on execute, you will see whatever was drawn on the graphic screen got erased, but notice here, the turtle is still there, in its own position. Now let us see the clean screen command, abbreviated as CS. First let me type again the FD70 command and press enter. As we can see, the turtle had drawn a straight line on the graphic screen. Now let us type the CS command. Watch the screen carefully. Now if we type CS and click on execute, notice everything on graphic screen got erased, and also you will see the turtle came back to its home position. Hope you understand the difference between the clean and clean screen command. As we all know on how to clean the graphic screen. But what if you want to clear the commander window? Only few people knows about this command. This command is known as clear text command, abbreviated as CT. So, if we type CT on input box and press enter, you will notice whatever commands that was listed in the commander window has been cleared. So the CT command helps you to clear whatever commands that are listed on your commander window. As now everything are cleared from the graphic screen, as well as from the commander window. Now we will see the next command. Suppose, if this turtle moves, or draw only a straight line at the same direction, then it will be of no use. Yes or no? So, for this, we have two commands. Right command, abbreviated as RT, and left command, abbreviated as LT. Using these commands, you can turn the turtle to the left, or right, at any degree of angle. For an example, first we will type RT90. You can type any number of degree, your choice. If we type RT, space, then number of degree, suppose, 90, and press enter, you will notice the turtle had turned 90 degree to the right. This turn corresponds to a quarter circle. Now if we type FD70 and press enter, you see the turtle had drawn a line as it moves in the direction it is currently faces. As you can see here, on the commander window, we have typed two commands individually, RT90 and FD70. So what if you want the turtle to turn again 90 degree right and draw a line as it moves forwards 70 steps at the same time? It is very simple. instead of typing the commands individually. What we can do is, from the commander window, we will click on RT90, if it appears on input box, click on the input box. Give space, and type FD, space, and 70, and press, enter. You will see, the turtle will turn right, as well as draw a line as it moves, at the same time. Now suppose, if I want one more straight line, to the left side. I will type LT, space, 90. Space, FD, space, 70, and press enter. Notice the turtle had drawn a line to its left side as it moves. So using these commands, you can turn the turtle, at any degree of angle you want. Hope this video was useful. You can practice at home, by downloading, the PDF file from the given link below. Once again, thank you all for watching the video attentively. I will see you in my next one. Till then keep practicing, and God bless you all. Peace.